Balochistan have joined a long march towards Islamabad, raising voice against what they term as Baloch genocide by Pakistani forces. A report.
Thousands of people from Balochistan have been taking part in an ongoing long march towards Islamabad against the Baloch genocide by Pakistani forces. The protesters, under the banner of Baloch Yakjahati Committee, aim to highlight the unrest in Balochistan, demanding an end to enforced disappearances, release of all Baloch missing persons, and an inquiry into fake encounters in the region. They allege a total ban is imposed on the local media in Pakistan to cover the protest. Activists have long claimed Baloch people have been targets of so-called military operations, ethnic stereotyping, and abductions by the Pakistani state, while it continues to exploit their natural resources. They blame Pakistan repeatedly carries out such atrocities to instill fear and exert control over the Baloch people, who have been demanding independence for its occupation.
Thousands of local